Students, now we are starting Classwork 20. Classwork 20 topics name is examining whole number digit place values. So compare the values of each of the digits. So before starting the class, first write your name here, then date on the top, and your grade also. So this is the fourth grade math, so you have to write the fourth grade and today's date and your name. Okay, number one is same. There is a 92,719. So the 9 in the 10,000s place is, what is the value of the 9 in the ones place? You have to write down what is the value of the ones place. So there is a ones place and there is a nines place. So put the 9, they are comparing 10,000 place. This is the 10,000 place. So on the 10,000 place, put here 1 and all other place fill up by 0. There is a 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. That means 4 zeros here and 1. So 9,000, this is 9. Place below is, if we compare with the ones place below, it's a 10,000 times more. So you have to write here 10,000 times. So the 9 in the 10,000 place is 10,000 times the value of the 9 in the ones place. Then number 2, the 7 in the 100 place. This is the 7 in the 100 place, I said. So put 1 on the under the 7 and all other. What is the value of the 7 in the ones place? This is the 7 in the one place. All other place club by 0. So that means 1 and 2 is 100. So 100 times is more. 100 times, you can write 100 times. So the 7 in the 100 place is 100 times the value of the 7 in the ones place. Then number 3, 6 in the tens place. This is the 6. Put the 1 here. Is, what is the value of the 6 in the hundreds place? 100 place here. That means I am putting now 0 on the left side, and here I am putting the 0 on the right side. When I put the 0 on the left side, you have to divide. That means there is a number is a 10. So 1 and 0. So it will be 1 over 10. You have to divide by 10. So that means the 6 in the tens place is 1 over 10 times the value of the 6 in the hundreds place. You write 1 over 10. 1 over 10. Then number 4, I can erase this part first. Number 4 is same. The 9 in the 100,000 place. This is the 100,000 place. This 9. Put 1 on the 100 here. Then the value of the 9 in the hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. So fill up all digit by 0. 1, 2, 3. So I'm putting the 0 on the right side of 1. So there is a 1000. So it will be 1000 times 1000 times, you can put the times like that, 1000 times the value of the 9 in the hundreds place. Then number 5, the 2 in the hundreds place. This is the 2 in the hundreds place. hundredth place, put 1 here. The value of the 2 in the tens place, so tens place this 2, so fill up by 0, that means 10. So you have to write 10 times 10 times the value of the 2 in the tens place. Then number 6, 4274. The 4 is in ones place is the value of the 4 in the thousand. So 4 in the ones place, this is the 4, so write 1 under the 4, and the value of the 4 in the thousands place, this is the thousands place, so fill up all other digit by 0, that means 1 and 3 zeros. I said when we put the zeros on the left side, you have to divide by that number, so we try to 1 and 1000, 1 and 30, you try to 1 and 30. So the 4 in the ones place is 1 over 1000. The value of the 4 in the thousands place. This is number 6. 1 over 1000 times. 101 over 1000. Put the types are 1 over 1000. Then number 7. 5 in the hundreds place. So this is the 5 in the hundred place. Now, what is the value of the 5 in the tens place? This is 5 another tens place. Put 0 here. So since I put the 0 on the right side, you have to multiply. So it will be 10 times. 10 times the value of the 5 in the tens place. So we can write here 10 times. 10 times. Then number 8. Number 8 is same. 8 in the hundred place. There is a hundred place 8. Hundred thousands place. This is the 100,000 place 8. And what is the value of the 8 in the tens place? So there is a 8 up to there. You should fill up by 0. So one place, another place. Then this is another digit. This is last digit. So 1 2 3 4, I put the 4 zeros here, and since I put the right side of all zeros of 1, there is a 1, I put the all zeros right side of the 1, so you have to multiply. That means 10,000 times. 10,000, there is a 10,000. 10,000 times. 10,000 times the value of the 8 in the tens place. This is number 8. You have to write on the answer place also. Then number 9, 3 in the tens place. This is tens place 3. I'm putting here 1. And what is the value of the 3 in the hundreds place? So 100 place, this one, put the 0. So since I put the 0 on the left side, you have to divide by that number. There is a 1, and always you have to put 1. It does not matter I am putting the 0 left side or right side. When you calculate, always you have to put the right side. So 10. So this is the 1 over 10. 1 over 10. I'm making more easy. When I put the left side 0, you have to divide by that number. When I put the right side 0, you have to multiply. So 1 over 10. Answer is same. Number 9. The 3 in the tens place is 1/10 the value of the 3 in the hundreds place. Then number 10. 3 in the ones place. This is the ones place. Put 1 here. What is the value of the 3 in the hundreds place? So put the 1 0, then another 0. Since I'm putting the 0 on the left side of 1, so you have to divide. So 1 over what? 1 over, this is the 100. 1 over 100 times 100, the value of the 3 in the hundreds place. Then number 11, 8 in the hundreds place. This is the 100 place, so put 1 here. What is the value of the 8 in the ones place? So put the 0 here. There is a 0. That means 100 times. 100 times the value of the 8 in the ones place. Then number 12, it's a 8 in the hundreds place. This is the 8 in the hundred place, 1. And what is the value of the 8 in the ones place? There is another 2 place here, so it's 100 times, you have to write the 100 times here, 100 times. And for number 11 also 100 times. Write all answer, you have to write on the answer place 100 times. So the value of the 8 in the ones place. Then I am making clear all of them. The number 13, so the 2 in the hundred place is, what is the value of the 2 in the thousands place? So this is the 2 in the hundred place, and thousands place, this one I have to compare with the thousands place, so there is another 0. Since I putting the 0 on the left side, you have to divide by 10, also 1 over 10, that means 1/10 the value of the 2 in the thousands place. So by that way, you have to complete the second page, students. Before starting the class of the second place, classwork 20, make sure you are writing your name, date, and grade also. And by that way, this is exact similar with the first page. So this is the homework you have to do by yourself. There is a 13 problems also. If you try, definitely you can solve by yourself. Thank you for watching this video.